Hello, Amazon sellers. My name is Anthony Zhang. I'm a paralegal here at Rosemont Familaro, and today I want to talk to you about contacting complainants and intellectual property complaints. So, when sellers receive intellectual property complaints such as patent, trademark, copyright, or counterfeit complaints, Amazon will always provide the contact information for the complainant. As preferred by Amazon, you're encouraged to resolve the complaint off Amazon and directly with the complainant. But because Amazon has already accepted the complaints from the complainant, this gives the seller a lack of power and leverage in their correspondence with the complainants. Oftentimes, the complainants will not retract their complaint or might not even respond to your attempt to communicate with them. So here at Rosemont Familaro, we see these type of intellectual property complaints all the time and are able to successfully get the complaints resolved or retracted. There are usually three things that we do to help speed up the retraction process or to have a successful outcome resolving the IP complaints. Number one, we will always analyze the situation to identify what the complainant want from their complaint. If you know why the complainant has filed their complaint, this gives you leverage and you can offer what the complainant want in order to get the retraction in exchange. The second thing we want to do is analyze the intellectual property rights that is used to file the complaints. Patent right, a trademark, or a copyright. We will analyze the intellectual property and make sure that the intellectual property rights used are legitimate and also stand on solid ground. A lot of times, the intellectual property rights used to file these complaints are lacking or they're not sufficient to justify the complaint. In these cases, we could use that also as a leverage to obtain a retraction or a resolution of the complaint. And lastly, because we're an established law firm, a lot of complainants, when they receive a letter from us, it will automatically increase the strength of your argument. And because you're represented by a law firm, a lot of complainants would often retract the complaint right away because they don't want to deal with the amount of arguments or the possible escalation of a dispute from a law firm, that they will quickly resolve the issue or offer to retract. And because of this, at Rosemont Familaro, we're very experienced in getting retractions and resolving intellectual property complaints. So if you receive the intellectual property complaint and you're having a hard time resolving the complaint with the complainant, you can always contact us, or you can always go on our website. We have a lot of information listed on our website, so you can become more knowledgeable about IP complaints. As always, thank you.